Fire Trucks by Kate Riggs. Time to help. Fire trucks help put out fires. They save people and animals. Fire trucks are big, long vehicles. Many are red and white. Some are yellow. A fast fire truck has flashing lights. It uses sirens to let people know it is coming. On top of a fire truck is a ladder. It can reach high into the air. Hoses are inside the truck. One firefighter drives the truck. The other firefighters hook up the hoses to water. When the fire is gone, the truck goes back to the station. Firefighters wash the truck. They put away their gear. Ready to help again? Picture a fire truck. Aerial ladder, emergency light, siren, wheel, cab, pumping tool, equipment lockers. Words to know. Sirens. Things that make loud noises as a sign that a vehicle is coming. Station. The place where fire trucks are parked. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Goodbye until next time.